All right, good morning. Well, at least it's not raining. Ja, kan du se, at mos skal gå musen i, og jeg rummer der så, og fik i vejse mus. All right, where are we going? Where are we going?
We're going to the... Where are we going? Whittier, Alaska.
Where is that, an hour away?
Well, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, driver. Mr. Driver. What's over there? I didn't go on there. Whittier.
It's another...
There's
mountain. There's snow. Yeah. There might be a bear. Yeah. There's another harbor. There. That's. Yeah.
Hold if you vejse mus.
Ah! See? Yeah, you'll see. I see.
More little mus school. Look out. Hey, car. You see a moose, you stop the car immediately. Hey. Ja, maar je moet kan wel ook weer met kap. I didn't know it was gonna have. The sun is gonna be out today.
But better than yesterday.
Oh yeah. Ủa có phụ. Cái lũ natives đó. Em phải công ở đâu native sitting?
Yeah.
Em phải công ở cô lâu nè. Ngã kí về vậy đi ngồi phải ngồi lâu nè. Samoan native native.
Native.
Finally got some nice weather. Oh.
Is it right here? Oh.
Need help? Yep. Right there. I'm gonna back up navigator.
That's the highway though. One, no, I think it's freeway, ain't yo.
There's a highway.
Oh, highway, yo. It's not only one lot there. That's the one lot.
Highway.
Don't one way on there. Oh, Alaska one. Oh, this thing. That's what I'm highway.
What's the speed limit?
Snow warriors, lewa pisa o Te tapua I ngawa paksima po Ave ilunga le sipili Ai ku uila loko Kari kong kuwa ile anganga Ole awe kele ile kupulanga Ia kolo loko ma esa ungi mai faanga kama Lake wure fai ya onga One pen one sound pidioka Mele afa ole lima ile afa ole valu e fasa onga e sola Ole au e fai mele faku e lai kiki foia e fai sima ingi E loko mo lalo ma fea lo fangi ma fa mua le ali Ia kako fai mea fa kasi ma o mai e fa mau popo Ia ave inunga le sipilia ia makua iku ila lolo loko No warriors lewa pisa o Te tapua I ngawa paksima po Ave ilunga le sipili Ai ku ila loko No warriors lewa pisa o Te tapua I ngawa paksima po Ave ilunga le sipili Ai ku ila loko Ngawa le sila ile fai Ka alo mai whakau sala le kakou au malo le on sai I koa ke le foi sa le karikongu fai mai o le au fou Ai ami ngoi e kulo o ka mai ki ke ia le wa slow E kausa po ako le polo ua mau se e lua se e koru se e vai se e urupe molumu Afa mamao ponga ki pe sumu E vale leia e au wale faunge ke ua ou lako papolong nguku Kausua kari e Langa o le uso e whape ngā kau au foi le ua pupe Ike le o le ai ma se pe Snow warriors le wa pisa o Te tapua I ngawa paksima po Ave ilunga le sipili Ai ku ila loko Snow warriors le wa pisa
Muleka kakovi. Malo se fue movido. I wonder if people are swimming, man. That would be crazy.
Look at him like rock right there.
Yeah, got to woman got.
Are you walking down there? How do you get down there? Yeah, we don't.
Oh.
If you just talk to.
How's this there?
Hey, welcome to us.
Ủa cái đấy đâu mà lăng nga đi. Dạ, xuống mây mà con mây áo. Dạ, xuống ngang làm cả bác đi. Đấy mà cùi. Whittier. Kaya đi. Kaya pha y Alaska. Còn ai mày đi. Train tracks there y. Pico đó. Ở địa quý. A depois a água caiu ali mesmo.
Oh, look at the sand. Whatever that is.
Depois que coloca ele, né? Ah, é bom. Câu sở vidi mất mèo, câu mà nụ mất mèo. Kiểu phải ao câu lên, ngô phải Alaska mà đi. Mi mà nụ. É vai. Ele é marozinho, mas depois da coca aí. Vamos ali, Alaska. Ali será a Pese ali. Ah, yeah. It's beautiful. Very amazing. Alright. Hello. Yeah, I think it'll be a nice picture of us over here.
You're gonna cold plunge or what?
1, 2, 3.
Maya.
Gotta make for me in.
Yeah.
Now you want to hear that guy give me? Hooligan. Oh. Get a little fun, okay, vậy. Oh no, you can't go on.
Oh, you can't go in?
Oh, you have to. Never mind, go straight, Clark.
You have to go in.
Get a little fun.
I've been here.
Oh, they do it by lane.
Do I go with them? I go with
Yeah.
them. Olha, ngawala ikulari. Oh, yeah, sign that. There's a sign right here. Gateway to Samoan Sound.
see it.
Look, building all the
Oh. Oh, we line
Girls,
up for
there's a
Duncan.
real life TikTok building right there. Over there. It was on TikTok. Everybody lives there. And then during winter it's too cold to go outside, so there's a hospital, there's a store.
Leve é com eu.
Everybody that's living lives there.
Kaka umai ko ngoi mo foi o. E fia ra kaka le ko. Wingo e lua sera ko kaka, wingo kaka umai ngo foi o lua sera. Ai sao e penden your family you.
I wonder why is it abandoned? It's old.
I don't know. We drove by the side.
So why ya manu?
I guess we can park over there.
Let's go check out the store inside the building.
Yeah. Can you go inside the building? Yeah, the building on it. You're gonna go.
Hey Clark, let's go to that building over there.
Where?
The pink building, the haunted building.
How do you get there?
Just start through the gate.
Go back to where you came.
Yeah.
Just ram the gate. Hey guys.
Go back this way?
Yeah, on your right. Don't listen to Sapa. We'll end up. There's no other houses. It's all in that one.
Oye, lo ese se go foi ele.
No, one of my customers shopped from me online. Whittier, he said my little package. But she messaged me and
Esse hotel, falei da legal. Oh, they have a cafe here. With what is this? World War II Army steam locomotive. Be right.
The people in the city live in one building. You heard it right. It is called Whittier City in Alaska. There are only 220 people living in this city, and they all live in the same building named as the Begich Towers.
Casi do resident de carpas que pode. Dale, espera como. Reading it up on my hey, look down there, on my face.
Yeah, they live here. They just go further up. Your mom? Yeah, it's. No, on my own. So where we gonna park?
they're not gonna look at you crazy? Like, why are you in here?
Yeah, you can park right in front.
Via hoeveel vaar verloren aan.
We can park right here, Andy.
And they put up the handicap sign.
Ja, maar of die.
It's a U.S. Army Corps engineer.
Yeah.
Ja, maar of die.
Take them back.
No, Mike, you're just
Je ook al gehoord met Whittier, Alaska.
right.
There's a Samoan store?
Yeah.
Oh. Where there's my people, I'm comfortable.
Kidding sa, isa mooi kong on valid hem.
Family lives here.
Oh.
But yeah.
Yeah.
The Hodge building. Ja, het building Paul building a lo lang ye. Ngo fo mo ka kon mo ui kongol. Valid. Lo sa mo kupa. Ei falo lo. Ei fal mai. Fal kusi. Spu faflo.
Oh, it's Army Corps Historical District. Oh, wow.
Is this the entrance?
Ja, gooi makamaka i kongol valid. Heling ura. Whittier, Alaska.
Let me put this here. It's only busy during summer, you know, because the cruise ship They finally built a new dock. Or it's an old military base. It used to be the U.S. Army Engineer Corps that used to be stationed here. So during World War II, so they still sold it off. But the best place I would suggest is just drive up the hill, past that abandoned building.
Yeah.
That's called the Buckner Building. There's a sign over there. You can read about it. Used to be the theater and the ball dance hall for the military over here. There's a dirt road right next to it that goes up. You guys can go up there. There's a beautiful view. You'll see some signs. Just drive down there. It's called the Salmon Run. This is my wife and the kids. I work for the tunnel. They're also a firefighter down there. They have their own fire department. So, for me and my little family, it's been like 5-6 years. But my mom owns a small convenience store down there. So
That's what we were trying to check.
yeah, she's in Anchorage. She went to pick up one of my sisters just flying down. Yeah, it's closed for.
Where in Samoa you guys from?
From Kafunga. I was born and raised down there all my life. So I moved up here after high school. I graduated from Samoan High School 2012. Yeah, go sir. Hey, Laos. 2012.
Oh, okay.
That's yeah, that whole okari the day. Yeah, go. Tima? From 2012? You know Tima? Tima also.
Becca's sister. Yeah, Fatima. Yeah.
Oh fuck. Okay. Yeah. Her sister Becca is married to my brother, so.
She's one of our members.
Oh, at the church? Pastor Pulo. Yeah. Okay. Fellowship down here, yeah. Yeah, I was at work. She's the youth leader for our. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah.
So this is my name is Eleni. Is my brother.
Sapa. Mike Mouse. So nice to meet you, Michael.
So this is Pastor Pulos. Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you. Well, I'm Mike. Nice to meet you guys. Yeah, so Mike. I'll go look. 2 is more than enough. Oh yeah, early building or called PTI, Begich Towers Inc. So we're homeowners here. We bought a condo in Lua on the 3rd floor. It goes up to 15. It's lima floor. But
Has a church up?
it has a church down at the basement. Le Samoan church service in it. This will come back. Look, come on, look, you they feel eat it. Mako small, so kama say lusa lau ficus full whole year round. But summer ko kele wala ko kele iskang kai move mai foi suingal wenga wa seasonal. So alu bungon. Oh, ilua major ngal wenga le fang wenga ko le fang wenga le seed. Be fang wenga o tunnel, yeah. So tunnel le anti-memorial tunnel fire department. So ngaro ke fang wenga o isi show so ye fang wenga public works or lalo le harbor. They work over there for the city. Michael Pese, yeah. Pese, yeah.
I was just telling your wife.
Mo mo ATM mo kong. Mo ATM mo
We just parked in the back too.
We're like, oh, that's the building. I'm like,
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, only time it's busy. Winter is like a ghost town. Everything is empty. All the boats are gone. It's just a ghost town.
Maar je koeien kom je. Ik doe eens coaster here. Just kidding. Walk it down the hallway. Yeah, this is nice. All these old pictures. Oh. It used to be army. Oh, look. It used to be army base. Oh yeah, this is the town. This is where we drove through. By? Yeah. Remember the port?
Oh yeah.
And then the building should be back here. I feel like this place is haunted. Oh, they got a post office. Out to park. Yeah. You got a post office?
Wow.
Nice. They probably have a barber shop in here. Oh, this is the store. Arukapungi. It's closed. That's the guy's mom, huh? That's what he said? Mm-hmm. His mom and dad owns the store. They even got a camera too.
Crazy corner.
Yeah, it's down here. Oh, they got a bike room, storage room. Yeah. Oh. All right, that's it. Yeah, I'm my tour.
That's nice. Here, Nangy, take our family picture. Nisi, jump in. Turn around. Come here, Silawa.
Mai ali tua ali faz com malo, mai ko. Mai ko pese ah. I wonder back kupus fa lo de oh, e se leo ora vanga. Wingo mai ko leo ko fui mu.
Wow. But you're not an engineer, any?
Yeah, go mate. Give us a good tour. Oh, you go if you go for each building that go
Never. No, do the Whittier if like every other ghost town.
But me kumul sama.
But during the summer, it's
kumul sama or winter ngao ngao. Oh.
even the harbor 80 will be 30%.
So interesting.
Yeah. Yeah, sekarang mau Michael le, mau mai lang kawa le, pen ma kutua. Clear right.
Oh, they're everything, right? Store owners, the post office.
Man, he does everything, huh?
Yeah, he works in a tunnel.
He's the police officer, the nurse, the doctor, the firefighter. Oh, pendant. Come on, come on, may pendant, no?
Like a hotel.
This was a hotel?
Oi fa longo ya mai ko pole al story al fale da. Oi fa me ma e view lungo yo. Oh.
Because I think when it's like really cold, it's really cold. So now.
Yes, sir.
This what? This pizza? Oh,
Yeah. This is Salmon Run.
yeah, Salmon Run. I can go.
it's not salmon season yet, but
salmon.
probably next month.
Yeah, I
Oh.
bet.
There's a bunch of salmons over here, and people go down there and start picking them up. Yeah, but this is what we call first salmon run. The second one is that goes straight up there, but there's still too much snow, so they're closing it off.
That was one of my questions. So what do you guys do when it snows that it's like hard? Snowmobiles?
Snowmobiles. Yeah, most of the summers we come over here to do barbecue.
Eh.
Oh, lalo ang file mako mo mula sauking ah.
So se koffie sa moringi. Ibulia.
Wala wa
Whittier.
Yeah. Eh, kokel pia.
Kolwa ingo. Samoa.
Kol pe. Kol.
Kolwa ingo Samoa de iyo.
Ai nga lisa nga olo wa nga au pese mas kamalang sa lang elevator. Makumayo mo for the same village fangay may kafe.
Sorry. Ja, kom ik kort. Ik van ima ide. Wala le bailang for me. E sa mangi yo.
Salmon run.
Oh.
Salmon run. Oh, the
Ide
beach
o
sound.
wala ke me ka sa mangi.
Near the end of this month, makaya yun.
Oh, yung ya makay. E kau ya, masinga ko pe dua masinga kai.
I think the whole summer.
The whole summer.
But kami may nung iyo. Sa mangya may may fangau ikaw di mga taste rin. So that's why most people they go further out in the Puget Sound.
Fresh ya.
Yeah, fresh.
Yeah.
Here sometimes last summer the black bears would just come out and just feed over here.
Oh, det fick vara en mus så. Okej, jag vet
Oh,
inte.
get
Det var en mus. Jag bara låter en mus så det så och det finns så och mus.
Lisi ko le tano.
Så man ja, men ko.
Oh,
Ni kaffe va? Mori kaffe då. Ja. Amma ngai oh i det ja. Så ko finga med makomai. Now this is why it's called the last frontier. Beautiful landscape, a river, it's peaceful, beautiful, nature. He said salmon season in June, and this is where they have their barbecue, the Samoan community here, where they have their barbecue on Mother's Day. Ja, kan ga je mee eten. Oude Leo Whittier, Alaska. Lights up.
yeah, with the lights. Kalao.
Oh, the winter.
Yeah, not too long ago. I think last month.
Well, I mean, I've been in the building lately.
So Limafinga, they want to break it down, but they
Oh,
don't
the
have
hotel.
enough.
What's it?
It's an old dance hall or ball hall for the military.
Oh, okay.
It has a
Yeah, I
swimming
got
pool,
you.
a theater for them back then.
Can
The city wants to break it down, but because of the asbestos,
Historical.
it's the asbestos because of it's a Billy Woody okay, what ka kule asbestos o meng ufika.
Oh, mais.
So now they just close it off and
sealed it off. Que eles estão rebuild like a hotel,
Your view, yeah.
yeah.
What's the profile picture?
Oile maro kuma yuri. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice over here.
Oh, ko malu room ni.
Okay, right, go over there.
Ja, phải photo shoot ở cả Ala umma Alaska ke vai se musa. Đâu được lấy vào là. Phải vai được. Phải ra đem phải ngay mua đi chụp đấy. Osso me la morfea. Kaya mo chua me.
No worries.
Come out. Here's it. Ayun mo lang sorry. Pare, ila mga Pese pa, Pese ba? Ila no kwa que mari. Ja, kisses.
Yeah.
Papay na ba? Eh,
Yeah, you guys have a safe drive for us too.
ako yo ya kulis.
Thank you so much.
O may no kulis ya. O may kulis ya kako.
Nice meeting you, sis. Thank you so much.
Alright, that's Whittier, Alaska. Small town here in East Alaska, east of Anchorage. Alright, let's go.
You guys have
No warriors, lewa pisa-pisa o. Te tapu